Bitcoin is still in a downtrend, guys, in the shorter term time frame, and right now is potentially forming a head and shoulders pattern, and the target of this specific Bitcoin pattern, guys, is at 21,000 US dollar. And guys, in today's video, I will be talking about this potential pattern that we are seeing in the price of Bitcoin right now, the price action we have seen in the past couple of days, and what we can expect in the future, and a couple of other charts which we can use to confirm these scenarios right here in the Bitcoin chart. So guys, today is going to be a very important video. Drop the like, leave your comment down below. With that being said, my name is Jeroen. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. And guys, let's jump into the Bitcoin price action. But before we are zooming in into this bigger head and shoulders pattern, guys, let's all take a minute, scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Let's check if we can get as much likes as possible on today's video. And guys, for all the traders out there right now at this specific moment, you can get a $600 US bonus over on BYBIT when you use my affiliate link down below. So first of all, you need to create an account on BYBIT. You can do that right here by clicking on this link. And once you have created an account, you can enter this code in the rewards hub, and these are the deposit requirements for these bonuses. So if you want to have a $100 US deposit bonus, you have to deposit 0.1 Bitcoin. And yeah, even though if you don't deposit any money, you still can get a $20 US bonus for signing up. So for all the traders right here who are interested in trading on BYBIT, right now is a great time to sign up, and you can find my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. Then guys, let's have a look at what's happening right there in the Bitcoin chart. And yeah, right there on the 1 hour time frame, it looks like we could be forming a potential head and shoulders pattern. So we have the left shoulder right here, we have the head in the middle, and we have the right shoulder right here. And the target of a head and shoulders pattern, guys, is the width of the head right here, put at the point of breakout. So let's say we would be breaking out right there, and that would bring the target of this pattern all the way down here at 21,000 US dollar. So guys, that would be a crazy scenario, of course, but yeah, this scenario is not that unrealistic. And yeah, we are going to have a look at that, why this scenario is actually not that unrealistic. And first of all, guys, let's go to the 4 hour time frame, because yeah, we have been trading this pattern very successfully, because we are watching the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, right? And yeah, as you can see, the moment we broke below this level, I said that I'm expecting Bitcoin to go in a downtrend unless we are breaking back above this level decisively. And as you can see right here, the moment the price break below this level, we came back up and we backtested this very important level as new resistance, which is a very bearish sign. And yeah, if we were to draw the Fibonacci retracement tool right here, or from the top till the bottom, then you can see that the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame was as well aligning with the 50% Fibonacci level. So it makes sense that the price is getting rejected from this level. I've said in my previous video as well that this bounce right here is looking like a retracement, right? It doesn't look like a fresh new uptrend. It looks more like a retracement. And the reason why I thought that is due to the RSI, because if we have a look at the RSI right here on the 1 hour time frame, and then you can see right here we've created a high in the price of Bitcoin, and yeah, the second high was a lower high right here in the price, but in the RSI it was actually a double top, which means that the RSI is actually retracing higher than the price, which means, guys, that the RSI is creating space for bearish momentum. And that was already telling me that the bounce right here is most likely a corrective structure. And that is also why I was so convinced yesterday that yeah, most likely we are going to see a correction, and I expect a further drop to the downside. So guys, these will also be the levels that I'm watching. So let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Eventually yeah, Bitcoin will be getting squeezed between the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern and the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, which is coming down, right? The price will most likely consolidate in this range and eventually needs to choose a direction. Either we're going to break above the 50 moving average on the 4 hour time frame, or we are going to break the neckline decisively to the downside and we can expect a further drop in the Bitcoin price. And guys, the reason why I don't think that this scenario is such unlikely or such unrealistic is due to the fact that we have seen a major rally in the price of Bitcoin, which is quite logical that sooner or later we will see a severe correction from. So guys, this is something I've been saying for quite some time, that after this rally, after a rally of over 900%, guys, approximately 960%, we are going to see a severe correction and euphoria eventually will turn into panic. So guys, when we have a look at the drop we have seen in Bitcoin so far, then Bitcoin has seen a drop of 27%, which is actually a pullback, which could be enough to continue this uptrend. However, guys, I think the market conditions right now are slightly different due to the fact that we have seen such a extreme rally. And yeah, if we go to the weekly time frame, then we have seen the RSI on such overbought levels like we haven't really seen in the past. We haven't seen the RSI at this overbought levels in the whole bull market of 2016, 2017. So yeah, that's as well the reason why I think like it is likely that Bitcoin is going to come down and is going to experience a severe correction and not a 27% pullback. So guys, how low can Bitcoin go in this correction? Well, first of all, guys, I want to bring out the 20-week moving average, which is the orange line right here. And this is a very important moving average because the price of Bitcoin in a bull market normally is getting pulled back to the 20-week moving average. And when we are continuing this bull trend, is seeing a bounce off from this level. So guys, you can see it right here as well. We got pulled back to the 20-week moving average and this level has been acting as support. And from this level, we have been bouncing and starting this rally, and right now this level is at approximately 18,000 US dollars. But yeah, every week this level is increasing, of course, because this is a moving average which is moving along with the price action. So guys, I think in the near future right here, it's definitely possible for Bitcoin to come down right here slowly and touching the 20-week moving average right here, and eventually is getting supported and bounces off from this level and starting a new uptrend. And guys, the good things about these corrections is that the price is actually getting stronger after a correction, which makes it possible to surpass the previous all-time high. So this is something really healthy, guys. This is something we also need in the markets. The price needs to correct and afterwards we have a stronger base for the next rally. But I personally, guys, think that in the next couple of weeks, we definitely can see lower levels in the Bitcoin price. And yeah, if we go to the 4-hour time frame again and we are seeing this pattern, I think it's definitely possible that we could be breaking the neckline right here, which means that most likely Bitcoin is going to see lower levels. The target of this head and shoulders pattern is 21,000 US dollars. Do I think it is possible that Bitcoin is going to reach this level? Yes, I do think it is possible that Bitcoin is going to reach this level. However, that would be, in my opinion, would be one of the ultimate levels to the downside to watch. I wouldn't expect Bitcoin to see lower levels than 20,000 US dollars. If we go to the daily time frame right here, we zoom out, you can see that we haven't really been testing the previous all-time high right here in 2017. If we were to draw a horizontal line right there, then guys, I think it is definitely possible, although it sounds very optimistic right now, that the price eventually is coming down right here and going to test this level and show that this level, the former resistance, is turning into support. Guys, is this the most likely scenario? No, it is not the most likely scenario that Bitcoin is going to go down right here to 20,000 US dollars. So that is also why you shouldn't bet all your horses on this scenario. What you can do right now in the shorter term time frame is wait until we are seeing Bitcoin breaking the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. Then you can see that this head and shoulders pattern is actually confirmed. So guys, a strategy would be right here that you wait till Bitcoin is choosing a direction, right? If we were to break above the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, then that is a clear signal that Bitcoin might reverse right now in a uptrend. If we were to break the neckline right here, then that is a clear signal that, Bitcoin still wants to see lower levels. And then you could wait until we are seeing some clear reversal signs in the price action. And that could be the moment that you start entering back into Bitcoin. If you took profits with me right here as well, the moment we broke this very important key Fibonacci level, or that could be the moment that you are opening a long position if you want to enter a long position and you want to carry that long into the next rally. So guys, those are the scenarios that I'm watching. Right now, I want for Bitcoin to choose a direction to show us some clear signs where we are going to. Because if we were to see this head and shoulders pattern playing out, we first need to break the neckline. Because before breaking the neckline, this is not a confirmed pattern yet. Then guys, for all the traders who are interested in longing Bitcoin, you can sign up on the BYBIT exchange using my affiliate link down below in the pinned comment. And you can get an additional bonus of $600 to trade with. Then guys, another reason why I think Bitcoin is able to see lower levels right here is due to this chart. We have been talking a lot about this chart. This is the US dollar index. And let's go right here to the daily time frame, guys. This chart has been so significant for the price of Bitcoin. And right now we are entering a very important support zone. And if we were to see a bounce from the support zone, which is actually quite likely, then that would have a bearish effect on the price of Bitcoin in the shorter term time frame. So if the US dollar index right here is seeing a bounce, it really makes a lot of sense that Bitcoin is coming down and might be seeing this head and shoulders pattern playing out. And guys, I personally do think that with this chart, we can predict the exact bottom in the price of Bitcoin, because right here we have been predicting the exact top in the price of Bitcoin as well. If we have a look at the momentum indicator, then we can see a bullish divergence. So it makes sense right here that we are going to see some form of a bounce. We are entering a very important key support level and we are seeing a bullish divergence, which is just logical to see a bounce right here. The technicals are showing us that we are seeing a bounce. If we were to draw a Fibonacci retracement tool right here, then we could be getting rejected at the following levels, of course: the 23.60%, the 38.20%, the 50%, and might even could come up all the way to the 61.80%. However, guys, I do think that is not so likely, because if the Dixie chart would go as high as right here, then that would mean a huge decrease in the price of Bitcoin. So guys, this is a chart you want to be watching, because if we are seeing a nice bounce right here, let's say we would reverse around these levels, then that could tell us like, okay, we have seen the Bitcoin bottom. Most likely Bitcoin is going to reverse right here, because we are seeing reversal signs in the US dollar chart. Then guys, when the Dixie chart finally has seen the bounce and eventually could come down again and break this support, guys, that would be a historical moment that we are going to see a huge rally in the price of Bitcoin. Because guys, let me show what I mean. I'm going to draw the Bitcoin chart over on the US Dixie chart right here. And then you can see that the moment we have been topping out right here in the Dixie chart and we are going into a downtrend, that was the exact moment Bitcoin was found a bottom and it's just going into this uptrend and eventually going parabolic. So we had seen a decrease in the US dollar index of approximately 13%. And when we have seen that 13% decline in the US dollar index, we have seen a over 900% rally in the price of Bitcoin. Then guys, if we were to zoom out in this US dollar index chart, then you can see that the next major support, if we were to break this key support level, would be at approximately right here, approximately at the levels of 80, and that would mean that the US dollar index is going to see another drop of 10%. And if that 13% drop already caused a rally of 960% in the price of Bitcoin, then what can we expect in the price of Bitcoin when the US dollar index is dropping another 10%? Guys, I do think that if we were to see this scenario, then we are going to see Bitcoin's price definitely going to astronomical figures. However, guys, I think in the shorter term time frame, this is definitely not the most likeliest scenario, because that would mean that we already have seen a 13% decrease in the US dollar index, and that we just would blasting through this support. I don't think that is the most likely scenario. I think it is more likely that we will be seeing a bounce right here due to the fact we are touching key support and due to the fact we are seeing a bullish divergence. So guys, this is the scenario that I'm watching right on the Bitcoin chart. The neckline right now is at approximately 32,000 US dollars. So if we were to break 32,000 US dollars decisively to the downside, then most likely we are seeing this head and shoulders pattern playing out. If we were to break decisively above the 50 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, then that would invalidate this pattern, and then I would think that most likely Bitcoin is going back into a uptrend. But okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed today's analysis. If so guys, take a moment, scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button. Would be amazing guys. I really appreciate all of your engagement. Lately the YouTube channel has a lot of momentum, and let's keep up with this momentum and let's get as soon as possible 10,000 subscribers. Then guys, for all the traders out there, right now you can sign up on the BYBIT exchange and getting an additional bonus of $600. You can find more information down below in the pinned comment. Then I wish all of you an amazing day guys. If you haven't seen one of my amazing tutorials, you can go over there, watch one of those, and I will see all of you in the next video.